This method can help answer key questions in the river ecosystem conservation field, such as identification of stretches favorable for young mussels development, as well as detection of these which are inappropriate.
The main advantage of this technique is that we can test juvenile growth and survival in hyporheic conditions, which represent the natural juvenile environment.
Demonstrating the procedures will be my colleagues Simona Němčíková, Jan Švaniga and Vojtěch Barák.
When assembling the cages, always insert one plastic cover first, then one sheet of the plastic sieve, and finally the main body on top. Put the cage into the plastic dish containing river water at the FWPM storage temperature. Ensure that the chambers are half full. Next, load the FWPMs into a petri dish. Using a squirt bottle and strainer, sift through the juveniles to clear the detritus. Then, pipette one individual from the dish and transfer it to a dish under the microscope to check its fitness. Select only FWPM of good fitness. Take 2 photographs of each, laid lengthwise at about 80 times magnification, with the goal of measuring maximum shell length. Proceed to load all the appropriate